Dunhuang exhibit from the vast desert arrived in the coastal city of Fuzhou, Fujian, China. A captivating dialogue between sand and sea is set to unfold. In the realm of Buddhist faith, there's a saying, seeing the feet is like seeing the Buddha. So the first revealed item is the Buddha's feet. It's difficult to fathom the sheer size of just the feet, considering the entire exhibit has been scaled down to a 4:5 ratio. The Buddha's head makes its entrance, displaying a remarkable serene expression akin to a peaceful slumber. Experts affirm that this particular Buddha is in a state of nirvana. A smiling-faced Buddha statue emerges with this mysterious oriental smile, predating the Mona Lisa smile in the West by over 1,000 years. Dunhuang's renowned mirror graced the presentation, including specially selected boat-themed mirrors for display at the Shipping Museum. Despite Dunhuang's distance from the ocean, it is believed that the depiction of boats might have been inspired by Buddhist stories, illustrating the desert's longing for the sea. Unboxing is just a delightful prelude. The Dunhuang Art Exhibition awaits you in Fuzhou on January 18.